Quiet country living on over 100 sprawling acres located on Dolly Branch Creek. 3 ponds and a 1-acre stocked lake. Pick fresh fruit from one of the many fruit trees, grapevines, or blackberry bushes. This property is fenced and cross-fenced for livestock or horses with black wood planked fencing and set up for rotational grazing. A 10,000 square foot indoor arena with stalls, tack room, and a washing stall. Attached is 2,000 square foot fully renovated living quarters, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. 2 sets of French doors can be opened to allow fresh breezes to circulate through the entire home. There is a fully renovated kitchen with quartz countertops, custom quartz backsplash, and walk-in pantry. All matching appliances were purchased during the renovation in 2019. The bathrooms have all been renovated with showers and furniture-style vanities. Three 1-acre paddocks containing animal sheds for newborn animals or shade. Paddocks contain Ritchie gravity-fed, frost-free waterers fed by the on-site well. There is a barn and 2 sheds to store hay or farm equipment. This property is nestled on country backroads, but still less than 20 minutes from Murfreesboro and less than an hour from downtown Nashville. This is the perfect spot for a country getaway, off-grid living, or to build your dream home.